Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In the ever-evolving world of smartphones, two tech giants continue to dominate the spotlight: Samsung and Apple. With each new release, they push the boundaries of innovation, design, and performance. In 2025, Samsung introduces the Galaxy S25, while Apple counters with the iPhone 16, both packed with cutting-edge technology, sleek aesthetics, and powerful features. In this video, we'll take a closer look at what each phone brings to the table and help you decide which one might be the better fit for you. 1. Display. The Galaxy S25 features a 6.2-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080. The iPhone 16 comes with a slightly smaller 6.1-inch OLED screen, but with a higher resolution of 2556 by 1179. Sharper on the iPhone, slightly larger on the Galaxy. 2. Refresh rate. Here's a major difference. The Galaxy S25 supports a 1:120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, offering ultra-smooth performance. The iPhone 16 sticks with the standard 60Hz chip, which may feel less fluid in comparison. 3. Processor. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, optimized for high-end performance. The iPhone 16 is powered by Apple's new A18 chip, continuing Apple's legacy of efficient and powerful silicon. 4. RAM. The S25 comes with 12 GB of RAM, ideal for multitasking and gaming. The iPhone 16 includes 8 GB, which is less, but iOS's optimization helps close the gap. 5. Storage. Both phones offer 128 GB and 256 GB options. But the iPhone 16 also includes a 512 GB variant, giving users more room for media and apps. 6. Rear cameras. The Galaxy S25 packs a triple camera system: 50MP main, 12MP ultrawide, and a 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom. The iPhone 16 offers a 48MP main camera with 2x optical quality zoom and a 12MP ultrawide. Versatility goes to Samsung, but Apple still holds strong in image processing. 7. Front camera. Both phones feature a 12MP front camera, great for selfies and video calls. No major difference here. 8. Battery size. The Galaxy S25 has a 4000 mAh battery. The iPhone 16 trails slightly with a 3561 mAh unit. Expect longer screen time on the Galaxy, depending on usage. 9. Charging speed. Charging is identical on paper. Both offer 25W wired charging and 15W wireless charging. 10. Size. The Galaxy S25 measures 5.78 by 2.77 inches and is 0.28 inches thick. The iPhone 16 is nearly the same size, slightly thicker at 0.31 inches. Pretty evenly matched in hand. Feel. 11. Weight. The Galaxy S25 is the lighter phone at 5.71 ounces. The iPhone 16 weighs in at 6 ounces, just a bit heavier. 12. Colors. The Galaxy S25 is all about variety with options like navy, icy blue, mint, silver shadow, blue black, coral red, and pink gold. The iPhone 16 comes in 5 colors: black, white, pink, teal, and ultramarine. Samsung takes the win for the most diverse palette. So, Which phone fits your needs better? The power-packed Galaxy S25 or the refined iPhone 16? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech comparisons.